Hey there. I'm just starting again. Please read the comments if you want to. Please read the description if you want to know what this is about. This is basically about this game, Master Crimes. You can find it on this website, mastercrimes.com. I didn't work on it for half a year, so there's some bugs now, but I will fix them as soon as possible. I see that even all the icons, some icons changed. That's really bad. It seems that they work here, but they don't work here. Let me check. Oh, now they work. So I refreshed and now they work. Something in the caching maybe. Okay, but anyway, I will develop this game in React Native, and I hope to teach everybody how to work on this. So currently I will just put on some music so you can enjoy, and I will be quiet. Because I am going to make some issues. So it should be possible to find a GitHub icon somewhere here on the bottom of the page or something. That could be pretty cool. I think it's really annoying that this kind of stuff, it's not clear what's there. Like, it's also not possible to see who you are when you're here. Page. And this is like a different type of information about you, and that doesn't make sense. Add this to the backlog. Some of the stuff is in Dutch, I'm sorry for that. But you can, I will translate it soon. Actually, let me translate it now. Let me see if I can Google Translate it. translation was right. Some mistakes maybe have been made. This is old stuff. I wanna keep it because it goes to shoot. I don't think I will do this. So okay, that's it for 2021. You can read it here. There will probably be changes along the line.
When the trumpets sound to be light, and know the joy within you dies. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Wouldn't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love.
need to go through the storage process again. It needs to be downloadable on iOS and Android, of course. Currently it's not downloadable on Android, so we want to try to make that work. Let's see actually how it works on Android. I'll just play a little bit. I think you can't see that, but yeah. Sorry, I can't stream everything yet. I need to get some better setup. Here's the camera. So here's the QR code. I should be able to open it on my phone, on my Android. Doing something. Actually works. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's too many street races, apparently. Someone created a lot. Oh, I created a lot. says it's alright, so that's strange, but we'll find it, we'll figure it out. Because of this, I can't use any functionality in the app on Android, so that's kind of shitty. I think it's not in the stores. And it says bad internet connection now. Ah, okay. I quit that. So let's play here.
hood, grab the keys, baby. Who you trying to please? I just wanna drive you fast, turn you around and bring you back.
So the race cars works, but the garage doesn't.
Push
So
the
that's a big
pedals
one
in the
that we
wheels.
need
I
to
know
fix.
how to make you feel. Baby, I ain't playing games. Just shut the door and pump the brakes. 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 Pump the brakes.
I think it does something else. That's more important even. Before the release of iOS Android. After these bugs fixed, I should make a video.
Buzz the hood, grab the keys, baby. Who you trying to please? I just wanna drive you fast, turn you around and bring you back, bring you back, bring you back, bring you back. Push the pedals, spin the wheels. I know how to make you feel, make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Baby, I ain't playing games. Just shut the door and pump the brakes, pump the brakes, pump the brakes, pump the brakes. Buzz the hood, grab the keys, baby. Who you trying to please? I just wanna drive you fast, turn you around and bring you back, bring you back, bring you back. Push the pedals, spin the wheels. I know
If we
how
have
to make
this,
you feel, make you feel.
I'm pretty happy.
Baby, I
I
ain't playing
can
games. Just shut the door and pump the brakes.
Thanks for saying that, Damien. I didn't notice that you couldn't hear me. I need to do something about my setup because I would like louder music myself, and I would still like to be heard. So there's lots of things I can improve. Thanks for saying that. Okay. Can you hear me all right now? I think I made an issue before about the garage. Yeah. This was the error that we encountered for the garage, why it didn't query all the results. Place full by group by. So what I need to do is log in into the server. I'm gonna do that now. And now remove this. So now let's check if the garage is working. Yep, it's working. So now everybody can see their cars in the garage again. That's great. I just said that in Dutch because currently most people playing are Dutch. But if there's lots of people in the live stream that will start playing around a little bit and trying to make PRs, making improvements in the game, yeah, this is your chance to work on a real life product that has real users. So yeah, it would be really nice to see that happen. There's lots of improvements to be made. So let's focus on a permanent fix. Important note, changes by 1 or 2 is not set it permanently. Okay, we need to find the MySQL config file. Let's search for that. So I will change the file. Actually, there's nothing there. So let's try this one. Maybe it's there. Nano is a code edit is an editor in your terminal. And sudo means that I want to do it as an administrator. So actually the only place where I find something is here. It seems that I should do something like this, because it's included from there, but then I can still do this. I save the file, okay. And now I should restart the MySQL server. It's nice that everything just pops up. So let's hope it works. Yeah, it seems to work. But I have too many cars, so let's sell a few. Okay, so one more thing that I think is annoying that we should create. So when you are in the garage, you cannot see how much cash you have. So there should be, on top of this, there should be your default status. Because it's really nice, you can see how much everybody has. But it should be possible to see this kind of stuff, like this kind of stuff at the garage. This stuff, status bar. So now I think I have a permanent fix, so that's done. Okay, that's awesome.
They tell me. They tell me. Look what you do to me. I'm utterly at your whim. All of my defenses down. Your camera looks through me with its X-ray vision, and all systems run aground.
Okay, so what I want to do is add
What is this madness that makes my motor run? My legs too weak to stand. I go from sadness to exhilaration like a robot at your command. My hands perspire and shake like a leaf. Up and down goes my temperature. I summon doctors to get some relief, but they tell me there is no cure. They tell me I like to control it. It's totally automatic whenever you're around. They tell me I'm not forward, completely automatic. All of my systems are down. I like to control it. It's totally automatic whenever you're around.
just asking this guy how he's doing. I'm just wondering how he will react to see my face. So let's play it a little bit and see if I can find any annoying things. So this is annoying. It doesn't show the whole upgrade garage. So it's hard to find. These kind of things are really annoying to new players if they get stuck. So it's always good to get rid of those kind of annoyances. So I still can't. Have to buy a new garage, maybe. 1.5 million. Can I afford that? Yep. Okay, now I need more cash. Where's the bank? Here's the bank. Okay, let's see. I have 20 million, so. Okay. Okay, I have the car park, the best one. And I'm a dangerous gangster now. Haha. It's not really. I don't like the styling. There's lots to improve there too. But yeah. So I'm now the owner of the Salvation Army. There was no owner apparently. So now it turns yellow. I think that's really cool. I got into jail. So now everything works. There should be lotto at casino, but yeah, here. I don't know what he's talking about. Maybe it's just because only I can see it. There's currently too many street races going on. Even with 30 million prize money added, there's just too many. So I can fix that too. Let's see if I can rob this guy. He does have a lot of money. But he's in another city, so I can't. It's probably in Amsterdam. Alright, this has no owner. And this has no owner. Oh, that's easy. Okay, I don't want to code. I don't feel like coding, but I want to show you something. Okay, let's go. Let's status bar to all screens. So where is the status bar? So it's part of the overlay, right? seems like it. Actually, I think it's already solved if I just do this. So the stats header should be visible at all times, and then the territories and game swiper should be below that if it's not needed. So let's see. It's loading the web now. Get it up and running. There we go. So as you can see, it worked like I expected. It's still there all the time, even when you're chatting, even when you're in stats or territories. Awesome, that's exactly what I wanted. So let's check if it looks fine on an iPhone 2, because we don't want it to be too big. So there's the iPhone, let's load it. So we get this error again. But let's see if it still works. Otherwise I could also just put it here. This is fixed, this is fixed. I think this is a big improvement. So that's done. So let's have a look at the server. This is the garage. but I want a steel car. Want to check that. So let's see the translations. Still got too many cars, that's it. That's the one. So let's make a link to garage return, and then let's steel car screen. If we get a return statement, link to garage, then let's make a button. Menu garage shop. So this is the translation. Menu garage shop, and on press I want to go to, let's see, I want to check where I need to go. Okay, garage shop. It seems that I just need to link to garage shop like this. And do I have a button? Yes. It seems that button already has a theme, so it doesn't need necessarily the theme. So okay, we'll delete it there too. So now let's make it, to test it, let's make sure that here link to garage always returns true, so we get here all the time. And now let's try to steal a car. See what happens. Okay, it works. It just has one problem, and that's the margin of the upgrade garage and the OK button. It's really ugly. So let's try again. That looks better. And actually, I think the response should also have a margin. Now it looks good. Still not the best because these buttons are super ugly. But it's workable. And now you can actually go to your garage. Yeah, okay. And oh yeah, I wanted to check how it looks on the phone. So for every building, yeah, this looks fine. I mean, you have enough space to do whatever you want. Also here, it's nice to have things. All right. So I just wanted to show you. Let's do that now. I want to show you a little bit about the structure of the folder structure of the game. So what we have now is a client, a front end, and a server, a back end. In the server, we have the lib folder, the local folder, uploads folder. We even have fonts, I didn't know. We have a dist folder where the builds get built. But this is the most important folder, and there's basically everything, all the endpoints. And you can see which endpoints there exist in the index file. And it's also here. It's here. So if you want to see which how the model looks like, this is a really long file, by the way, and I know that's not good practice, but maybe we can fix it together. So this file contains like 3,700 lines, which is pretty insane. But yeah, you can also see if you go to localhost.4001. I should make something that you see all the endpoints. I did that in another script, for example in this one. I always do that. I really like that you are able to see all the endpoints. Let's see, okay. I'm going through it really fast. I'm looking for another piece of code now. Yeah. So this one, list endpoints, is a really cool piece of code, I think, because this way you can just list all the endpoints, and there are many endpoints, man, too many. I should even start to structure it, I think. So here's what the endpoint starts, and what is list endpoint? Express list endpoints. I have to add that to the includes. So it's adding express list endpoints now. Actually, I don't know what it's doing, why it's reinstalling everything, it seems. But what we want here is, here, sorry, you can't see that screen. What I want here is to see a list of all the endpoints. Sorry. Keep using my own screen. But let's have a look. So it's done. We've installed express list endpoints. Let's restart the server. Oh, it should actually restart when I save this file, of course. Yes. And now we see all the endpoints without middleware or with middleware. And actually I don't have many functions where there's middleware. You can install this plugin, by the way. It's REST JSON formatter. It's really useful to actually, you can, instead of so look, normally it looks like this, but when I click the extension, then it looks like this. But I will do it on all sides. So that's a really cool extension for Brave or for Chrome. And yeah, I really recommend it. So these are all the extensions, or all the endpoints that I have. They are not grouped. I use a flat structure. I prefer that over grouping everything because you can't remember all the groups. So it's better to just keep a flat structure, and then it's just one word for an endpoint. It's easy. So yeah, that's it. But I was doing this. So we stole something. Wow. Let's see. Upgrade garage. It goes to the car park, so that's good. To the garage. So that's awesome. we have the same problem when traveling and we don't have an airplane. But let's first remove this true one, otherwise we get problems in the real world, in the production, if I upload it.
Where's your will to be weird? Where's your will to be weird? Where's your will to be weird? Where's your will to be weird?
So yeah, there's also the airplane, airport, invalid city, invalid user, no airplane. So let's see. Let's make this always return true for now, and then link to airport, airplane shop, I think. So let's do the same for this. What we did was this. Actually, I don't understand where I can find the airport. It doesn't show. Airplane shop, okay, that's awesome. Link to airplane shop. Oh, we don't have that yet anymore. We don't have that anymore. So basically, airport is included in some other file. Of course, that comes from the backend. From there. So I need to find the place where I go when clicking on airports. And I don't know where. Ah, here it is. We should always not just automate the world, because if there's no airplane, get text, get text. Something like this. We make an alert. So I want to navigate to the airplane shop. No, nothing of that. No, nothing to fill in. So basically, I wanna navigate to the airplane shop if I press OK. Should not forget, this game is also in Dutch. So I have to add these translations too. I did not make any other translations yet, so that's good. So let's check what happens now if we go to the airport, and I expected it. I'm probably not in the right place. Okay. it seems that it's not updated or something. Maybe it's not updating anymore. Oh yeah. I need to add a key to the alert. This is my custom alert that I made. Sorry, couldn't find it. You don't have an airplane. You want to buy one? Okay. There we go. Awesome. I go to the airplane shop, which is super ugly. Okay, so that works. Let's make sure. Like, I didn't need to do this because we don't get there, because in the front end it's already handled. I just need to make sure that it works when my hey, actions bar, of course. Yeah, so here it needs to be like this. And then if you don't have an airplane, it shows the alert. Otherwise, it animates to the world. Alright. So let's see. Link to it. Link to it. Done, done, done. I think that's pretty much enough for now. I feel like doing something else, so yeah, I hope you learned something, and please let me know if this is the right format, because I'm still figuring things out. And yeah, it may not be the right format. I may need to change a few things. Maybe you can't hear me because of the music. I don't know. Just let me know in the comments what you thought of it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.